right, here we have the A.C.E. Showing you an exterior. Of course, it comes with its 30 amp plug right there. Plenty of storage underneath. Here at Ryan's RVs in Beaverton, Oregon. Propane. '27-1 Thor Motor Coach. Beautiful cockpit section. Of course, we have the automatic leveling system. Storage bed area above cab. Nice style system here. Nice open floor plan. TV here. I believe we are a 3 range burner. Microwave. Induction oven. System here. We are solar. And generator here. Starts right up. Bathroom. Shower. Gas and electric refrigerator. When you want a snack in the middle of the night, it's right next to the bed. I believe this is a king size bed. There's plenty of space. Nice bedroom. How you doing? And this is the 2014 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. We hope you like. We hope we could ship to you soon. Let me know if you need anything further.